Now we have some big news coming in. Election consultant IPAC, which is running TMC's campaign, hits out at BJP after an alleged survey purportedly released by IPAC shows BJP winning. IPAC tweets, facing imminent defeat, BJP has now gone down to the level of using fake surveys in the name of IPAC to keep the morale of their workers up. In IPAC, no one uses desktops. So at least be smart there in your effort to create fake survey. Here's IPAC, who's handling the poll campaigning of the TMC, now hitting out at the BJP after an alleged survey that purportedly released by IPAC shows BJP winning. IPAC now in retort reacting via a tweet and says, I quote, facing imminent defeat, BJP has now gone down to the level of using fake surveys in the name of IPAC to keep the morale of their workers up. In IPAC, no one uses desktops, so at least be smart in your effort to create fake survey. Suryagni joining us live for more details on that. Suryagni, BJP's report on IPAC survey showing their victory fact-checked by IPAC themselves. IPAC now hitting out at the BJP saying, be smarter. We don't use desktops, so think twice before you come out with fake surveys to boost your party workers' morale.
Well, absolutely, Nabila, and the past 72 hours has seen such, data or presentations on the social media, not only that is related to IPAC, but also to BJP. So this one that we're talking about is a document that the BJP claims is of the IPAC, which states that they are losing, that the Trinamool is losing multiple seats in the second phase, especially Nandigram. Now, IPAC retaliates. It says that it's a fake document. They have put it out on Twitter. Secondly, if we just speak just some 24 hours back before this particular document was, all over social media, there was another letter that was apparently written by Dilip Ghosh to JP Nadda, in which the letter read that Ghosh states that BJP is losing the first phase of elections. So the BJP later clarified that that letter itself was fake. So in the past 48 hours, we have seen two of such, incidents, wherein one from the BJP, the second one from IPAC, which is campaigning for the Trinamool Congress, where such data, where such presentations or letters or data is being circulated, and each of the other parties over here, that is BJP on one hand and IPAC on the other, are claiming that these data representations or the letters that have been viral are completely fake. So this is happening just before the second phase of the election. Nandigram goes into polling tomorrow. Back to you, Nabila.
Suryagni, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now,